हाय एवरीवन एंड वेलकम टू दिल की बातें, जहां बातें दिल से दिल तक होती है। और आज का एपिसोड बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है बिकॉज हम इंस्टाग्राम पे सिर्फ मैनिफेस्टेशन सुनते हैं बट पता नहीं क्या होता है, कैसे होता है। सो टुडे वी हैव मैनिफेस्टेशन क्वीन विद अस, जो हमको बताएंगी कि एग्जैक्टली कैसे अपनी लाइफ में मैनिफेस्टेशन करना है इतना इजीली कि इट्स लाइक ब्रीदिंग। So her name is Deepika Das. She is a manifestation coach and mostly known as manifestation queen because she manifests like with ease. So let's go कि exactly ऐसा क्या करती है, वो क्या है जिससे वो इतना easily manifestation करती है, और हम भी सीखेंगे. So yes, welcome Deepika ma'am.
Yay! I'm so excited. Thank you so much for having me.
Yes, I am so excited to know the deep insight कि exactly आप कैसे manifestation करते हो. So Instagram पे हम बहुत देखते हैं कि manifestation ये
Yes.
होता है, ये होता है, ये होता है, but लोग कर नहीं पाते. देखते
Yes.
हैं हमें करना है बट कर नहीं पाते. सो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द बेसिक कि क्या होता है मैनिफेस्टेशन, क्यों और क्यों लोग नहीं कर पाते, व्हाट इज द रीजन बिहाइंड इट.
All right. So, you know, मैनिफेस्टेशन एग्जैक्टली क्या होता है अगर हम उसको थोड़ा सा बेस लाइन में समझें। मैनिफेस्टेशन इज बेसिकली आप जो सोच रहे हो, आपका जो इमेजिनेशन है, वो आप रियलिटी में कैसे ला सकते हो, आप अपने लाइफ में कैसे ला सकते हो, दैट इज मैनिफेस्टेशन। उसका डेफिनेशन है कि आपको वो फिजिकल रियलिटी में वो कैसे आए, है ना। अभी मैनिफेस्टेशन ये भी है कि मैंने सोचा कि मुझे एक पेन बनाना है, ठीक है, सोचा उसको, एंड फिर मैंने अच्छे से मतलब उसका ड्राइंग बनाया, फिर मैं गई एंड फिर मैंने प्रोसेस करा एंड फिर मैं लेके आ गई। इवन दैट इज यू आर मैनिफेस्टेड इट,
हम्म.
राइट। बट व्हाट वी वांट वो तो सारे कर रहे हैं, राइट। कि अगर तुमको पैसे बनाने हैं तो तुमको पता है कि तुम पढ़ाई करोगे, फिर जॉब करोगे एंड फिर अचीव करोगे, वो तो मटेरियल वर्ल्ड में वो हो रहा है। बट अगर हमको एफर्टलेसली मैनिफेस्ट करना है, अगर हमको मैजिक चाहिए लाइफ में, और अगर हमको 10x स्पीड में चीजें करनी है, then the processes of manifestation, that is using your mind, that is using your emotions, and the processes जो हैं, that is alignment and and then attraction, वो जो सारी चीजें हैं, that comes into picture. When you become aware and when you understand and learn the processes of manifestation, magic start to happen and coincidences start to happen, जहां से कि जो आप चाहते हो वो मैजिकल वे में आपके लाइफ में आ सकता है। बिकॉज ऑल द टाइम वी माइट नॉट नो द राइट, मतलब प्रोसेस हमको नहीं पता होता कि जस्ट एज आई गिव यू दिस एग्जांपल कि पेन बनाना है तो तुमको पता है कि ये करके वो मैं पेन बना दूंगा। पर इफ यू वांट टू मैनिफेस्ट द लव ऑफ योर लाइफ, यू एग्जैक्टली डोंट नो द प्रोसेस कि मतलब व्हेन यू हैव दीज प्रोसेस लाइक यार टिंडर पे चले जाओ या डेटिंग एप्स पे चले जाओ एंड आप यू नो इवेंट्स पे चले जाओ जहां पे आप लोग मिल सकते हैं, मैट्रिमनी साइट्स पे चले जाओ एंड यू विल फाइंड पीपल। बट देन हाउ डू यू फाइंड लव, या द राइट लव एंड effortlessly by not doing a lot of hard work, या दैट इज समथिंग जो मैनिफेस्टेशन के प्रोसेसेस आपको बताता है, जो कि हम थ्रू आउट द पॉडकास्ट हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि क्या है एंड कैसे होता है।
राइट.
या डज दिस मेक सेंस? लेट
या.
मी नो।
Yes, it definitely does. But why it is like some people find it very easy, like you are one of the example कि आप कुछ भी manifest करना चाहते हो, it just happens for you. But then there are some people जो manifest करना चाह रहे हैं but उनके लिए वो चीज हो ही नहीं रही है. So what differentiate these two people?
ओके, चलो हम और अभी फिर डेप्थ में बात करते हैं इसका। नाउ व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड लर्निंग अबाउट मैनिफेस्टेशन, बहुत मुझे वेग लगा था ये कॉन्सेप्ट कि कैसा, मतलब क्या तुम मैनिफेस्ट करोगे, कैसे करते हैं ये, एंड आई डिड नॉट अंडरस्टैंड द साइंस बिहाइंड manifestation.
Right.
Then I stumbled upon one of my most important mentors of my life. His name is Dr. Joe Dispenza. All right. And with that, I also have one of my mentors. Her name is Ishpreet, who also talks a lot about the science of manifestation. And primarily, I started learning from Joe Dispenza. I'm so sorry for the mumble, but I learned and understood how, in a cellular level and an atomic level, we are vibrating at a certain frequency and we attract things in our life that are in same
Hmm.
vibration as that of what we are vibrating in. Okay,
Right.
we attract that. Okay, now That made a lot of sense to me. Now, Dr. Joe Dispenza says that we live in two kinds of worlds. Okay, one is the material 3D physical reality world. He also calls it as the Newtonian world.
Hmm.
Okay, Newtonian way of living. Okay, and second is the quantum world, the quantum way of living, the quantum model of living. Okay, now न्यूटोनियन वर्ल्ड क्या है, जैसे हमने अभी बात करा कि हमको पेन बनाना है. ओके okay? तो तुमको प्रोसेस पता है, ये करो एंड तुम्हारे पास पेन आ जाएगी. न्यूटोनियन वो न्यूटोनियन वर्ल्ड है. ओके okay? जहाँ पे कि हम मैटर टू मैटर काम कर रहे हैं. नाउ व्हेन इट कम्स टू क्वांटम वर्ल्ड में क्या होगा, तुमको पेन मैनिफेस्ट करनी है. You are functioning at an energy level. Okay, जहाँ पे कि you are not taking any physical action that much, but then it, you know, in an energetic level situations ऐसे ऐसे हो रहे हैं कि it is just coming to you. Okay, now अभी मैं और थोड़ा सा डेप्थ में बताऊंगी ताकि और क्लैरिटी आए इसमें. Now, you know, all the people who have heard me or the people who have attended my sessions, they have heard it 100 times that I say that we are 99.99% energy, and this is the basics. This is something that I'll repeat for the rest of my life because people need to understand the basics. Basics never change, right? We are 99.99% energy. Now, what does energy mean? Okay, when you look into the human body in a very cellular level, the smallest particle that makes us is an atom. Okay, and when you look into the atom microscopically और in depth में आप देखो तो उसमें आपको ये पता लगेगा कि वो जो पूरा एटम है वो बना हुआ है 99.99% इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक फोर्सेस है उसके अंदर. ओके, फोर्सेस है. वो क्या है, वो मैटर नहीं है, वो एनर्जी है. राइट, दैट इज एनर्जी. फिर इलेक्ट्रॉन में या न्यूक्लियस में 0.0001% मैटर है बस. मैटर को भी आप फिर से जो मैटर मिला है 0.001% उसको भी फिर से आप देखोगे तो उसमें भी एनर्जी ही मिलेगी. बट लेट अस कंसिडर, यू नो, कि our atom is 99.9% energy and 0.001% matter, right? If ये प्रूव हो गया है कि हमारा जो स्मॉलेस्ट पार्टिकल जो बना हुआ है that is like 99.9% energy, what does that say about ourselves? Yeah, that says that we are 99.999% energy and 0.001% matter. Okay, now when we are operating from matter to matter, we are just able to operate from the 0.001% of our ability. Okay, when we are doing matter to matter, like abhi we want to manifest a partner. Okay, we are going to all the apps, we are doing so much hard work. Okay, we are doing so much hard work, we are going to matrimony sites, we are going to you know, like matchmakers and everything to find that person. But what are we doing? Do we know that the person जिनके साथ हमारी कुंडली भी मैच हो गई, जिनके साथ हमारे जो ट्रिक मार्क्स थे कि वो यहाँ पे जॉब करना चाहिए, ये होना चाहिए, वो होना चाहिए, हाइट इतनी होनी चाहिए, कलर ये होना चाहिए, वो मैच कर गया. बट द लव दैट यू वांट इन योर लाइफ, क्या वो मैच कर रहा है? डू वी हैव अ टिक मार्क फॉर दैट व्हेन यू आर, यू नो, गोइंग लाइक मैटर टू मैटर, आप वो फाइंड आउट कर रहे हो ना. अभी हम कैसे एनर्जेटिकली काम कर पाएंगे? ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज एनर्जेटिकली काम करना? दैट इज your energetics is basically your thoughts, your feelings, majorly is your feelings and your belief system. That is your energetics. Okay, and you know, this is something that I have applied for the last 2 years, and this is something that I have you know, my students applied every single day. They've practiced it over and over again. You are someone who has done this over and over again. That is, functioning on your energetics is very very important. Your life is 80% energetics and 20% physical action. Okay, 80% of your life is controlled by your thoughts, beliefs and emotions. Why your emotions and why your thoughts and beliefs? It is because they are something that, you know, जो कि your emotions are something that will raise the frequency and the vibration of your body.
Right.
Of, you know, now your brain, it produces electric fields basically through your brain waves, right? Your heart produces magnetic signals, and they can be altered, they can become stronger when you feel, the elevated states of emotions. And it has been proved over and over again through so many researches, right? That once you are in a very happy, aligned state of your emotion and your thoughts, you're vibrating in a higher frequency, and you attract things from the quantum field like
Hmm.
very easily. Okay. Now, you know, there is so much, like I can go on and on, because this is such a vast subject to understand, right? And it is just not manifestation कि आप कुछ टेक्निक कर लो ये हो जाएगा. No, it is deeply working on your emotions and changing your emotions when we are in our day to day life. Yeah, ऐसा होता है ना कि maybe you are in with your family, or you are at your workplace, and you're constantly stressed, you're constantly afraid, अगर वो आपका baseline emotion हो जाता है, you start vibrating your the electrons of your body and the atoms of your body start vibrating in that way, and that is the energy that is released. Yeah,
Wow.
and the similar kind of energy is attracted to you from the quantum field.
Yeah.
Okay, and that is what constantly happens. And when we do not know about this, that's when we tend to only see the material part of life. हमको ऐसा लगता है हम इतना हार्ड वर्क कर रहे हैं कि फिर क्यों नहीं हो रहा, बिकॉज हमारे जो एनर्जेटिक्स है वो अगर सही नहीं है, तो हम जितना भी हार्ड वर्क करें वो बहुत मुश्किल होगा.
Hmm.
Okay. There was this there is this book जहाँ पे ये बोला गया है कि 17 seconds of you feeling and really deeply feeling your goal can take you like way ahead. Okay, can like help you manifest things very fast, which is equal to 2000 hours of hard work. Okay, of material work. Just 17 seconds of deeply feeling and knowing that कि ये तुम कर सकते हो.
Wow.
Okay, because you know आप energetically काफी आगे बढ़ जाते हो. All right.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Wow.
that's the basic. All right, and we will talk about it in depth again in the entire podcast. Yeah, tell me.
That's amazing. Like I think लोगों को ये पता ही नहीं है and they are feeling कि हमने कोई टेक्निक कर ली तो manifestation हो गया, कोई magic हो गया, but there is a huge science behind it. एंड आई
Absolutely.
थिंक जब मैंने भी अपनी जर्नी में मैनिफेस्टेशन स्टार्ट किया था तो मैंने भी सेम यही चीज की थी. आई यूज टू फॉलो सम 5-5-5 टेक्निक एंड आई वाज लाइक क्यों नहीं हो रहा है, क्यों जो मैं मैनिफेस्ट करना चाह रही हूँ वो नहीं हो रहा है, बिकॉज इंस्टाग्राम में मैंने यही लिखा था, इट वाज रिटन डू दिस टेक्निक एंड सी हाउ इट मैनिफेस्ट फॉर यू.
Mm-hmm.
So now I want like let's go for the basic कि walk me through your journey कि जब आपने manifestation के बारे में सुना था, समझा था, how was your reaction and how over the time you have changed it.
Okay, awesome. So, uh, I am someone who never believed in anything other than hard work. Okay, because number one, we have been conditioned like that. Number two, I'm a person of science. I don't believe in, all these woo-woo techniques and all these things. I don't believe in it. Okay, I never believed in it back then. Okay, when I passed out of my college and all of it, I have been like hardcore believer of work, and work will give you result, which absolutely is extremely important. Putting in the work and not just आप believe कर रहे हो but you're not putting in the action. It's not possible. It needs to go hand in hand. But um, after college, yeah, I I just knew that I wanted to do something different. I had no idea, zero idea what's going to happen with my life and everything. It was back in 2020. COVID happened. I tried to discover myself. I, started doing a bit of meditation. I started meditation journey in 2019. I, cured my PCOD in 2019-20 only through meditations and all. Yeah.
Oh.
And it was like, it was a very beautiful thing for me. जहाँ से कि I understood कि there is something more. There is peace that is inside of me. And I was just maybe 20 years at that time. Yeah.
Hmm.
And I was like, Do you not think I'm too young to talk about all of these things and no one will believe in what I'm saying? Yeah, but I found a lot of peace inside of me. After that, in 2020, 2021, 2022, I tried so many, different kind of jobs so that I can understand what am I truly interested in.
Hmm.
Side by side, so many magical things were happening for me. Okay, so many coincidences were happening. I was able to, download things. I mean, I was able to listen to few things. I was able to, you know there were so many crazy things that were happening. Like, I used to feel a lot of deja vu moments, like I have
Hmm.
seen this before. I think I've seen this in my dream. Okay, so many dreams. Till now I of course forget all of them, but till now I feel that I have seen this exactly in my dream like 3 months ago. I'm able to remember that even till now. Yeah, this is very crazy. Yeah. Now all those things were happening. Yeah. After that, I went through a huge life crisis that happened in 2020 and in the start of 2023. That led me deeply into working on myself. Yeah. And healing out of that situation took me deeply into the healing journey. Yeah. And I really figured out my worth. And in that time, I started believing more in manifestation. When you lose everything, you start believing in God. Yeah. When you are in your rock bottom, at that point, you start to ask for help from something that you cannot see, you do not believe in. And, it just naturally comes to you. And then, as I was healing from all the pain that I was in February, by the end of February 2023, and in the start of March 2023, it was the time when I started posting on Instagram about mental health, about emotion. How can you regulate your emotion? How can you work on your emotions? Of course, I was doing a lot of healing in the last. I learned about all of these things in 2022 also, 2021 also, but I never like directly applied it. After that, in 2023, after I started creating content, a lot of people resonated with it. Yeah. But still, I knew that I want to talk about manifestation, but I did not have a proof that is this scientific? Is this something that is going to work all the time? Is this something that can really help people change? I did not have that because I was personally going through a healing journey. And number two is I needed more knowledge about it. Yeah. I started learning from multiple mentors. Yeah, one of them is Dr. Joe Dispenza. Yeah, one of my first mentors is Shruti, who has introduced me to all of these things, who has helped me so much through the process. And Dr. Joe Dispenza, his books, they are Bible to me, and it changed my life. Okay, in ways that I can't even tell you. It just came to me so magically. I had no idea that in March 2023, I had zero idea about who Dr. Joe Dispenza was. Yeah, I just randomly saw a video. It just popped up on my feed over YouTube, and in the video, it was said that if you want to really learn about manifestation, this book is a crazy book where it gives you proper proofs and measures and numbers कि कैसे manifestation होती है. Yeah, with graphs and everything. Okay. I was like, this is something that I need to learn from. I ordered my first book, Becoming Supernatural. Like, I went deep into it. I keep on constantly studying it, and I gained so much knowledge that changed my life. That really made me understand what manifestation is. Coming from a doctor, Dr. Joe Dispenza, he's a doctor, he's a researcher, he's a professor. He has been constantly researching on it. He has been creating results in the last few decades, and it's mind blowing. It was mind blowing for me. Yeah, I applied all of those things in my life. All right. And a few clients who I had in the initial phase of my journey started applying it in their lives. They saw magical results and transformation. People were able to come out of sadness and depression very quickly. Yeah. And and then a lot of clients started to come in. Everyone applied it. Everyone was getting results. Yeah, that proved the concept, that made me believe in it so much that I cannot, I cannot keep calm when I talk about this thing. Yeah, about my topic, about quantum manifestation.
Wow.
Understanding the science behind our reality, our universe, and the quantum field, and us, it's the most amazing thing that I've ever learned in my life. Okay, all these years of learning, but this is the best thing that I've ever learned, because this is something that I've put into application and it has worked all the time.
Wow. And I feel like when you start your own your journey for others, like आपने decide किया कि you wanted to be coach, but there will be deep, deep healing for your own self, like something
Yeah,
deep transformation is waiting for you.
yeah.
So tell me, like, what were the changes you start feeling in yourself, in your more of your thought level, belief level, कि क्या आपके अंदर change आ रहा था?
Okay, I'll tell you. The person that I was in um, December 2022 and the person that I was in March 2023, those 3 months of healing, yeah, that has completely changed me. Okay, the realizations have completely. I was someone who thought that I had confidence, who thought that I had good self esteem, who thought that I can, I am like, I can achieve anything that I want to. But then, after a certain life crisis, whatever that was, yeah, should not get into the depths of it because it might, get really long. But I understood that I had so many things to change inside me. Those 3 months were a reality check, like a slap on my face, a tight slap that you need to wake up now. Yeah, all the things that the bubble that you had in your head, things are great, and you are great the way you are. You're not. Sometimes you need to accept the reality exactly how it is.
True.
Okay, we need to tell ourselves you are not great because you have zero boundaries, you have zero respect, you have zero self-respect. Okay, and you're taking in shit. Yeah.
True.
So that is the reality check that I had to give myself, that enough of a lot of shit, enough of you treating yourself like a shit. Yeah, the only reason that you are treating yourself like a shit, that's why world is treating you like a shit.
Right.
Yeah, you have to come into that acceptance. Once you come into that acceptance, you will not want to treat your life like a shit, right? Yeah. And I was a very different person. I stood up for myself. I did not give in for a lot of things, like uh you know my life was not like this. I wasn't a coach back then properly. Yeah. And you know uh, a lot of things changed. I started to take stand for myself, even if there were a lot of people who said, why don't you do something else for your life other than coaching? What How would you even change other people's life when your life is not that great? What do you even know?
Right.
Yeah, there are so many allegations on me from a lot of people,
Right.
not just few, a lot. But I just knew that if I am going through this pain, so many of them are going through this pain, but I know that I have come out of this pain, and so many of them should, you know this as well. Yeah, they should know, they should be aware of it, because I really became aware. I really became very crystal clear with regards to who I was and what were the shitty things that were happening with me and my thought process. I became very clear with it. And I was like, no, I need to take people out of shit, because they might as well waste a lot of their years trapped in negative thinking.
Right.
Yeah. So that's why I was like, I don't care much. Of course, you do care when you're just starting out, you're very vulnerable. You haven't created a lot of success stories for people. You did not make a lot of money in your business. You are vulnerable at that time. You are, मतलब तुमको जो भी कोई बोले आप इफेक्ट हो सकते हो, right? But I pushed through. I created few success stories that gave me validation. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Wow.
And there is no stopping back, no looking back.
Wow. I think when you're telling your story, I'm like, it's my story only. I
Yeah.
was like, I am so confident. I used to feel like, but then life happened and I was like, क्या कर रही हूँ मैं किस I think it's like proving others. हम बस दूसरों को दिखाते हैं ये चीज कि हम ऐसे हैं, but deep down we know कि हम ये ऐसा नहीं है. हम ये बस
नहीं है,
दिखाने के लिए कर रहे
नहीं है, एग्जैक्टली एंड वो मोमेंट आपको मिल जाएगा आपके लाइफ में, कोई तो ऐसा टर्निंग पॉइंट आएगा आपके लाइफ में जहां वेर माइट बी यू नो might be you might get fired from your job, or you have a very bad relationship with your parents and it just creates a lot of mess in your life, or a breakup from a relationship, or something or the other might happen. Yeah, some loss of a loved one that will change everything for you. But a lot of people, they might as well get stuck in the idea that मेरे साथ ये इशू हुआ है, मेरे साथ बुरा हुआ है, एंड आगे मैं कैसे लोग को ट्रस्ट करूं,
हैं.
आगे मैं कैसे बढ़ूं, एंड एंड वो बस यही क्वेश्चन के साथ वो 6 महीने 7 महीने 1 साल बिता देते हैं, गुजार ले, मतलब वेस्ट कर देते हैं एक्चुअली.
Right.
या सो पीपल लाइक यू एंड मी, वी कैन एट दिस पॉइंट सो दैट हम इतना टाइम उनका वेस्ट नहीं करें, या
Right.
हम उनको बेटर, हम उनका पर्सपेक्टिव चेंज करा पाए ताकि वो चेंज होए एंड वो पास वाले पैटर्न्स ना रिपीट करें.
Right.
या
I think that's what spiritual awakening is. Like you realizing कि you are more than just a job or just a person. आप पूरी दुनिया बना लेते हो ना उस चीज को, कोई जॉब होती है, कोई पर्सन होता है. And the moment
राइट
something happen in your life and you realize, no, I'm not limited to this. I have a
राइट
lot to do.
राइट राइट नाउ after you realize, now this is something that I want to tell a lot of people. Okay, तुम्हारे साथ शिट हो गया, लाइफ शिट हो गया. ओके, तुमने फिर हीलिंग कर ली, तुमको दृष्टि मिल गई एंड यू हील्ड. Yeah, and you were like, I'm self-aware now. Yeah, I know things. I'm self-aware. Okay. After that, after a couple of months, say it universe or whatever your life, it will test you again. It will bring similar situations in your life.
True.
Similar. Okay. Now it completely depends on you if you want to practice all the knowledge that you've gained from your coach or not. Okay, few people might as well again go to the same loop all over again. Yeah, it is okay for you to get confused. मतलब एग्जाम्पल, कोई अगर टॉक्सिक रिलेशनशिप में था, ब्रेकअप हो गया, नाउ यू फाउंड अ कोच और अ मेंटर एंड यू वर्कड ऑन योरसेल्फ, या फिर यू वर्कड ऑन योरसेल्फ पर्सनली आल्सो, एंड यू रियलाइज कि ओके ये इश्यूज था, इसकी वजह से ये हुआ, नेक्स्ट टाइम आई नॉट रिपीट. बट नेक्स्ट टाइम अगेन इफ सिमिलर थिंग्स हैपन, ओके, इन योर लाइफ, now what do if you again go back to the same thing? Yeah, again if you give people chances even when they don't deserve it, now it shows that you haven't learned your lessons.
Right.
Okay, now abhi, if you are serious, if you actually have learned your lessons, you will be able to literally sniff people out or from a distance ki, this is the same pattern that is getting repeated and I'm not going to give in this time.
Right. I
Yeah.
think that's why X come back when you are healing to
Yeah,
check.
exes come back or similar kind of people come into your life.
True.
Yeah, but these things can happen 2 years after your healing as well. वो भी हो सकता है. Okay, never know. You might attract similar people, similar situations in some other form. Okay, it is again a test. Okay, यहाँ पे हमको ये बस जानना है कि we need to be confident in ourselves. We need to kind of be decisive. We need to see things exactly how they are and not just flow in the emotion of it.
Right.
Okay, we need to be decisive. That will save a lot of our time and it will keep a lot of our mental peace. The more we are at peace with ourselves, the more we know ourselves, and the more we take the right decisions in our life, that will increase our manifestation powers more.
Wow. Right. That means कि no matter how many healing you do, like अगर वो टेस्ट पास नहीं कर पाए तो वो रिपीट होगा ही होगा, वो लोग
If
वापस
you
आ
haven't
जाएंगे.
learned the lesson exactly how we school system dekh lo, if you haven't learned your lessons well in your standard one, you might as well have to repeat it exactly the same thing, right? You need, well, in life the same pattern has to repeat because you have to learn things.
Right.
Yeah, we
Right.
have to evolve from the state that we are in. I hope this makes sense.
Wow. दैट मेक्स लॉट ऑफ सेंस बिकॉज आई फील कि हमें ये लगने लग जाता है कि भगवान फिर ऐसे क्यों कर रहा
क्यों
है।
कर रहे हैं भाई, लिख सीखा नहीं है कुछ आपने? सीख लेते तो शायद नहीं होता।
True, true, true. Okay, now coming back to your story, that
ओके,
I have been a coach only. I find it very hard to explain my parents कि exactly मैं करती क्या हूँ.
एग्जैक्टली करते
Okay,
क्या? ओके।
हाँ. And when it's like कि you tell your parents कि मैं job छोड़ के ये खुद से करना चाहती हूँ, I want to start my own.
या
अलग ही ब्लंडर होता है वो.
या
So tell us how was your family's reaction कि जब I tell them कि you don't want to do job, the normal
हम्म
thing that everyone's
हम्म
doing is कि मैं करना है, but you
हम्म
have a different path.
My mom has always been super supportive when it comes to my, you know, my career and all. Because she is like, whatever you want to do, if you're happy and if you're able to sustain yourself, I think I'm, very happy with it. Just that you need to be happy, you need to like sustain yourself by your own. And that's it. Whatever you do a job. And my mom was actually extremely happy for the work that I'm doing, because
Wow.
number one, you don't have to work for someone else. Yeah, you don't have to work for someone else, and you're not miserable in your work. You're having a lot of fun. Also, you can work from anywhere. It's such a cool thing, and you're helping people. So it's she was like very happy with what I'm doing. My dad had zero idea, and I mean, my dad, I think he had a lot of thought in his head ki I don't know if the business will work, because dads have those mindset ki if she's starting a business, will this work? Will this not work? If it doesn't work, what will she do? He had a lot of
Hmm.
questions, and same with my brother. Yeah,
Wow.
but after a year, after a year and a half, they were like, okay, now she's able to do it. Now she's able to like, she's really interested and passionate with it, and she's able to work on it. So well and good. Yeah, but initially, my dad constantly said me, why don't you do an MBA? Why don't you take up a job? Why don't you like? He used to ask if my friends used to come over, he literally said that no, इसके लिए भी कोई job ढूंढ लो ना. I'm like, are you serious? Are you really serious? I'm doing my business, and my friends have been like very supportive. Even if they had zero idea, like 2 years ago, they had zero idea what I was doing, but they were so supportive that they always like hyped me up. And my friends always used to take my support in front of my parents that you know what, she's doing really well. She has a team, so she is able to. So please understand that she doesn't have to work for someone, but people are working with her. So it's a good deal. So wait for the results, and wait for when she is able to like break through. My friends have
Wow.
been like so supportive. And a very interesting thing that I would want to tell you, that is one of my friends, she's one of my bestest friends. She had no idea what I was doing, because she is also a person of science, and she is an engineer, and she works very hard that way. But recently, like I think 10 days ago or something, she has gotten really into wellness. She has got really into mindset. Yeah. And in the last 3 months, she has been working on herself, and she has been listening to a lot of people talking about intention and talking about being present and all of it. And now she literally 10 days ago, she says that now every single day I realize the importance of the work that you do. And I'm so proud that you are able to, you were able to figure this out like way early. Yeah. So it's a very fantastic journey. Right
Wow.
now they're very happy, like my parents are very happy, everyone is very happy. So yeah.
That's beautiful. Like, if you are in this field, it's literally hard to explain people कि exactly
Yeah.
आप कर क्या रहे हो. And having like supportive family at that point is a
My
blessing.
mom has been really supportive. My mom used to give different examples, like to anyone who used to ask my mom कि तुम क्या करते हो, मतलब आपकी बेटी क्या करती है. My mom used to say कि जैसे डॉक्टर्स होते हैं ना, डॉक्टर्स के पास जो भी लोग आते हैं वो यू नो वो फिर चार्ज करते हैं, उनका कोई उनका फीस होता है. वैसे मेरी लड़की जो है वो इमोशंस पे, उनके मेंटल हेल्थ पे हेल्प करती है ना.
Wow.
वो ऐसे छोटे 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 करके she used to explain, and it's so sweet of her. And she's so excited every single time when she talks about my work. All right,
Wow.
she's so excited all the time. My dad till now, he like खुद का करती है, खुद का काम करती है. He doesn't know how to explain, I think, but then you know he always says कि मेरी बेटी को ही पूछ लो, वो अच्छे से explain कर देगी. And I say that I'm a mindset and a for the people who are my dad's age and all, they don't understand what manifestation is.
Hmm.
So baseline, we are life coaches, right? So I tell them that I am a mindset and a mental health coach, and I help people come out of sadness, anxiety, and they really understand.
Right, right,
They
right.
really understand that. Yeah.
That,
So you need. So it was a struggle for me for the first 6 months, but then once you deal with so many situations, you just know how to navigate and navigate it well.
wow. But let's suppose you were telling your parents कि you I want to start my own, मुझे खुद का करना है.
Yeah.
But then there is a deep fear, you know, बहुत सारे अलग अलग fears होते हैं, self doubt होते हैं, and everyone just go through this. So someone who is just starting their own business and taking
Hmm.
a risk, what would be your advice to them? But first tell us what were your fears?
Okay. So my fears were uh, honestly when I started my coaching business. Okay, I had no fears because I was at my rock bottom.
Hmm.
All right, I did not have money in my bank account much. Yeah, what will I lose? Nothing. What will my parents say? I say parents are disappointed only with all the decisions that I've taken in my life. People, my parents are disappointed. So there's nothing to lose. For me, it was when it comes to my coaching business. All right, because I was already at my rock bottom. But before that, I want to take you back to 2020. 2020. All right, right after I finished college. At that time, I started out as a social media marketer. Okay, because that was the only skill that I knew. I just knew how to use Instagram. I did not want to be an engineer. That is the clarity that I had, that I clearly had. It's not. See, my own brother, he's made to be an engineer. He thrives at his workplace. All right, I cannot thrive there, and I knew it. I had 100% clarity that this is something that I'm not doing. This is very very important. One of the one business person, I don't remember his name right now, but he says that in order for you to make a successful business, you don't need to know what you want to do, but you absolutely should know what you don't want to do. So I
Right.
had a lot of clarity. I don't want to get into engineering and study higher studies and all. I don't want to do that. Don't want. So the thing that I wanted to do is social media marketing, and I started with affiliate marketing also. All these things, I was shit scared to say my parents that what, I don't want to do a job. Yeah, I want to do something of my own and all these things. And of course, they were really not. My mom has always been supportive that way. If I want to start something personally on my own, she's very supportive. And my dad, I mean, he was like, why don't you do a job? He till 2023 end or 2024 start, he was doing like he was saying, do an MBA, do an MBA, do an MBA. Why don't you do an MBA? Like my friend's son is doing MBA, but I am at something, some I am. He got. They are doing so well. They are switching jobs and going to. They are getting promotions. Your friends are getting promotion. What are you doing? All those things were happening, but I just knew that I can't do a job. It's like tough for me. It is
Hmm.
tough for me. It is like I need to have a sense of purpose. Even if I do a job, I need to have a sense of purpose.
Right.
Yeah, it needs to help a lot of people. It shouldn't be mechanical at all.
Right.
I was good with writing. I did it for 3 months. I had zero clue कि ये किसको हेल्प कर रहा है, क्या हो रहा है, मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा था. ठीक है, मैं ब्रांड्स को क्यों इतना, मतलब क्या कर रही हूँ मैं, मुझे मेरा सेंस ऑफ पर्पस नहीं मिल रहा था. इवन इफ दिस आई एम रियली गुड विद द स्किल, I left it. Even if it was paying me, I left it. In 2021, I've like changed so much. I've done affiliate marketing, network, क्या क्या नहीं ट्राई करा है.
Hmm.
बट घर पे बोलते हैं मेरा फियर बस ये था कि ऐसे जगह पे ना लैंड कर जाऊं जो मुझे नहीं पसंद है, जहां
Hmm.
पे मैं मिजरेबल हूँ. आई डोंट वांट टू, बिकॉज आई नो आई विल बी एबल टू मेक मनी. आई एम श्योर अबाउट इट. इन माई लाइफ आई विल बी एबल टू मेक मनी, but I don't want to be miserable, and I don't want to end up somewhere where I'm miserable.
Right.
Yeah. So that clarity I always had.
But
Yeah.
I think that's powerful thing. Okay, I know that people in this situation give more power to money. They are like
Hmm.
कहीं से भी बस पैसा आए दुखी
Money
हो
is
करेंगे लेकिन
important.
पैसे
Money
मिले.
is important. At least basic money for you to survive, and for basic money is actually important. But people who are right out of college, you might as well try a lot of things. Yeah, even if you're getting paid less, but then if you're 24, 25, you really need to make money. Okay, and above that, you really need to make money. All right, you can't depend on your parents, for God's sake. Yeah, you need to survive by your own self.
Wow.
Yeah.
But then how, like for you, you decided कि आपको ट्राई करना है, अलग अलग चीजें ट्राई करके देखना है. But
हाँ.
if people are not able to take that risk, I have
Mm.
seen that उन्होंने कॉलेज किया, they joined the job because that's what they are told
Everyone is
कि
doing.
करना है.
Hmm.
So what would you suggest for them? Like क्या ऐसा मंत्र वो use कर सकते हैं कि
It's
with that.
fan. Yeah. Got it. What is the mantra that they can use? Fantastic that you choose a job. It is stability. It is something that you have learned and you have applied it. Great. That after doing your studies, you want to get into a job. Fantastic. At the side, can you have your own individuality and understand who you are and not just give in to what people have said you that you are?
Right.
Yeah, that till now, like it's been 5 years of me graduating college, and till now, whoever listens to what I do and all, they ask me, तो कोई relation नहीं है ना तुम्हारा जो तुमने पढ़ाई करा है? मैं कहा नहीं है. तो 4 साल दिया है उसको doesn't mean कि अभी भी दें. Right? And I'm very confident about it because I know I'll end up miserable. I have seen my family, a lot of people in our families, you would have seen कि they are into jobs and they're cribbing about it.
True.
Yeah, they hate it. They hate their colleagues. They hate everything. I don't want to hate anything about my work. For God's sake, this is something that needs to give me a lot of joy. This is something that needs to give me a lot of peace and happiness. And I want to work with people who are easy. I don't want to work with people who irritate the shit out of me. Okay, I don't want that in my life. I don't want to. I had a very clear idea in my head that when I'm sitting with my friends or when I'm sitting with my family, my topic of discussion should never be work and work में ये बंदा ये मैनेजर मेरे को ये इरिटेट कर रहा है.
True.
That should not be the story of my life at all. ये मेरे को हमेशा से क्लैरिटी था. And मेरे को पर्सनली क्लैरिटी था. And personally मुझे ये भी क्लैरिटी था. I want to tell you this. Okay, you asking me about my struggles, right?
Yeah.
Forget what I've done after engineering. Forget it. वो तो struggle था ही नहीं. Struggle was back in school. Okay, it was back in school when I was like really young. I struggled fitting in. Okay, matlab I was just an average student. Yeah, and when we were in school, okay, it is a different era altogether. Now it's a very different era where we understand कि okay, every kid is special, every kid सबके पास talent है and all. उस टाइम में नहीं था. उस टाइम पे बस पढ़ाई मार्क्स अच्छा आ रहे फिर तभी talent था वरना नहीं था. I think standard 7th or 5th also. I don't know. I used to feel, whenever used to sit in the class, yeah, there were all the toppers who were sitting as well, okay, and I was वो बहुत तेज तेज कर देते थे, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर देते थे 7th में आई थिंक या कुछ तो. ओके, काफी तेज प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व सब हो जाता था. मुझे टाइम लगता था. मुझे मुझे और ज्यादा टाइम लगता था समझने में, सॉल्व करने में, सब कुछ करने में. कंपैरिजन तो दिमाग में आता ही था कि शिट्स हो नहीं रहा, मेरे से नहीं हो रहा. या बट उसके बाद ही आई हैड अ सर्टेन फीलिंग इन माय गट कि आई एम मेड फॉर, मतलब मुझे दुनिया चेंज करना है 7th क्लास में. आई डोंट नो, मैंने कभी किसी को जिंदगी में ये नहीं बोला था. मैं बोल ही नहीं पाई किसी को बिकॉज आई डिड नॉट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट दैट फीलिंग इज.
Right.
बट आई जस्ट न्यू कि आई कैन डू एवरीथिंग. Yeah, I can do a lot of things. I just knew that. Yeah, even right now, if any day my business sees a downfall or whatever, I know that I'll take it ahead. 10 years later, if I'm healthy, if everything is great, I might be very fulfilled with my work, and I'm pretty sure about it.
Right.
Yeah.
So what are more other struggles you have faced, like in your school, college, work में, or
Hmm.
business में, that you
Hmm.
have came through, like have the breakthrough you had?
Okay. Number one is managing finances. Yeah, understanding money, understanding numbers. Yeah, I have to overcome the fear of numbers. Number one. Yeah, I used to feel कि भाई मैथ्स मेरे से नहीं होता, नंबर्स मेरे मुझे नहीं पसंद ये वो. एंड बिजनेस तो मतलब अच्छे से मतलब सब कुछ आना चाहिए. I said, I said to myself, and I did a lot of work, healing. mindset work. I used to always see myself, I'm not good with numbers. I'm not good with numbers. I asked myself, is it really, really true that I'm actually not at all good with numbers and I can
Five
never
golden
learn it?
questions.
Yeah, five golden questions. Yeah. Is it really true? The answer is no. You can learn it. It's a fucking skill.
Ah,
Okay. I don't like sitting and doing social media marketing. But do I know it? Is that a skill that I have? Absolutely. Am I good at it? Absolutely. Am I good at marketing? Absolutely. But is it something that I am really passionate about? No. I'm passionate about changing people's lives. Yeah. But this is a skill that will help.
right.
Yeah. And numbers and learning about numbers is a skill that will help.
Right.
I change my mind. Okay. And I'm not fearful to learn any skill for that matter. Okay. Only and only sitting with myself and understanding my fears had to, help me to change the mindset and, and overcome those fears. And second fear was fear of being seen, fear of being judged by other people.
Right.
Okay. Like over Instagram, you don't know people, right? There was a time when I had 1,000 followers 1 month, uske just 1.5 months ke baad I had 10,000 followers. You would have been in that
Yes.
journey. You would have seen. It was a crazy time for me. Okay, I had to do a lot of my inner work, and the reason why I was, really stuck there, even if after one year of me, 1 year and 2 3 months of me starting my business, I was not able to break through that Instagram number was because I had a fear of being seen. Yeah. डीप डाउन बचपन से आपको ये बोला जाता है कि यू नो व्हाट, लोग तुमको देखेंगे, तुम्हारे बारे में ये बोलेंगे, तुम्हारा वो बोलेंगे, तुमको गुड गर्ल बन के रहना है. या ऑल दोस गुड गर्ल, यू नो गुड गर्ल
Syndromes.
सिंड्रोम, राइट? तो all of those things I had to break through that. I had so many negative comments over my Instagram when my reels went viral. I had such so many negative comments, and till today I get a few of them, and that's okay. I had anticipated it earlier as well. Okay, you know what is going to happen? What is something that I really fear? जिसकी वजह से मैं नहीं कर मतलब मैं ब्रेक थ्रू नहीं कर पा रही, मैं वायरल नहीं जा पा रही. द रीजन वॉज कि मुझे हेट मिलेगा, मुझे हेट कमेंट मिलेंगे. मुझे हेट नहीं चाहिए, लोग मेरे बारे में बुरा नहीं बोलना चाहिए. दिस इज अगेन कमिंग फ्रॉम मतलब बचपन से कि यार तुमको इसने बुरा बोला, तुमको मामा ने बुरा बोला, मामी ने बुरा बोला, तुमको किसी और ने, तुमको पड़ोसी वाले अंकल ने बुरा बोला, तुमको ये मतलब वो नहीं, कोई तुम्हारे बारे में बुरा नहीं बोलना चाहिए. तुमको
Right.
तुम्हारे बारे में सब कुछ अच्छा बोलना चाहिए. सब तुम
Right.
बुरे नहीं होने चाहिए.
Hmm.
अगर कोई हमको हेट दे रहा है तो इट इज अ सबकॉन्शियसली वी नो दैट दिस पर्सन नीड्स हेल्प. ठीक है, वो आके फेक अकाउंट से अगर हेट दे रहा है, दैट पर्सन नीड्स हेल्प, दैट पर्सन नीड्स अस. या बट
Right.
वी फियर दैट. अंदर तो वी आर इनर चाइल्ड ओनली, नो. या सो ऑल दोस फियर्स आई हैड टू सिट, आई हैड टू रियली अंडरस्टैंड ये कहाँ से आ रहा है, ये क्यों आ रहा है. या heal, like sit with myself and do it and anticipate कि क्या मैं फियर, क्या फियर है मेरे में, है ना, कि हेट मिलेगा. सो व्हाट, आई एम रेडी फॉर इट. या एंड
Wow.
90% are good comments only all the time. 90-95% are always good comments. What I would always want to do for them.
Wow.
That, yeah. Just one more thing I want to add, okay? And this will really help any creator or any coach or anyone. So, if you are being visible to, you know, a set of people who have never seen you, okay, and you are going viral and there are hate comments, just know that, you know, तुम बड़े बन रहे हो, तुम ग्रो कर रहे हो. ओके, हेट नहीं आया तो तुम तो कंफर्ट जोन में हो.
Hmm.
तो मतलब प्यार कर रहे हैं तुमको लोग, है ना.
Hmm.
तुम जब ब्रेक थ्रू करोगे, जब बहुत लोग देखें, जब हेट आएगा तभी पता लगेगा कि तुम्हारा ये पीस ऑफ कंटेंट काम कर रहा है और लोग तुमको देख रहे हैं.
Right. Wow. True. आई थिंक नोइंग योर फियर्स कि क्या है वो काफी हेल्प करता है आपको आगे बढ़ने में, बिकॉज यू एक्सेप्ट इट ना कि हाँ ये
Yeah.
फियर है तो अब क्या.
हाँ. Yeah. You have to be like really honest with yourself, you know, like very very honest. वरना पॉसिबल नहीं है. You have to फिर जब ऑनेस्ट होगे तभी तुम चेंज कर पाओगे. अगर तुम्हारे में फियर्स तो है, पर तुम बोल रहे हो कि नहीं नहीं कुछ नहीं ये वो, मतलब यू इग्नोरिंग इट, यू आर नॉट हैविंग द रियल कॉन्वर्सेशन फॉर विद योरसेल्फ, या ये तुम अपने ही साथ ही कम्युनिकेट नहीं कर रहे।
हम्म।
कम्युनिकेशन गैप तुम्हारा अपने साथ है, तो तुम क्या कम्युनिकेट करोगे किसी और के साथ, क्या रिलेशनशिप्स बनाओगे? पहली
राइट।
बात तो बी लाइक रियली यू हैव टू कम्युनिकेट रियली वेल विद योरसेल्फ, अंडरस्टैंड कि भाई इशू है। जब इशू है तुम करो, मतलब पता करोगे तभी जाके तुम गैप जो है वो गैप फिल कर पाओगे ना। तुमको जहां जाना है, अभी झूठ बोल रहे हो तो खुद को, तो इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल।
राइट। आई थिंक इट टेक्स लॉट ऑफ गट्स टू टेल योर फियर्स, या फिर अपने आप से बताना, बिकॉज हमेशा हमें गुड थिंग्स दिखाने की कोशिश की गई है ना, कि दिखा नहीं सकते व्हाट आर योर फियर्स, वरना लोग फायदा उठा लेंगे। हमने
या
खुद से भी झूठ हमने बोलना स्टार्ट कर दिया।
एब्सोल्युटली। सो फॉर दैट यू रियली नीड टू नो कि हु आर द सेफ पीपल जिनके साथ तुम फियर शेयर कर सकते हो।
राइट।
Yeah, that might be few of your friends, your coaches, absolutely, your and your therapist, जिसके पास आप जाते हो, they are your safe spaces,
राइट।
जिससे आप शेयर कर सकते हो। If you find your parents are your safe place, why not? What better than that? But जितना मैंने देखा है, most of the Indian parents के साथ ना बच्चों का communication gap है,
हम्म।
और वो नहीं एक्सप्रेस कर पाते खुद को। एंड अगर एक्सप्रेस करने का भी कोशिश करते हैं, बच्चा अवेयर हो रहा है और वो एक्सप्रेस करने का कोशिश करता है, मैं ये फील कर रहा हूँ, बहुत बार गैसलाइट कर देते हैं कि अरे ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता, काम कर ले अपना। राइट, आई वेंट टू अ थेरेपिस्ट एक्चुअली in November 2022. Okay, and my friend, like her name is Shweta, alright, she has been with me बचपन से, and she has literally, I was in a very bad time in November 2022, very bad. Okay, she saw me, she was like भाई तू चल ले थेरेपिस्ट के पास। Okay, and she literally dragged me to the therapist, dragged me, and I said my mom, I like I say all the truth, right, because सच सच बोल के जाना था। I said my mom कि मैं थेरेपिस्ट के पास जा रही हूँ। My mom was like तू बैठ, मैं करती हूँ तेरा दिमाग सही, क्या हो गया है तुझे? Actually my mom had no idea how I was, what I was going through, and what was happening in my life. Yeah, she literally dragged me to the therapist, and it helped a little bit. But the best thing that has happened to me ever are my coaches, all the time. Yeah,
Even
yeah.
I feel it कि the moment that you start accepting the fact कि आप भी perfect नहीं हो,
Hmm.
things start changing for
Even
you.
till now, like right before this call, yeah, right before this podcast, I was doing a lot of my journaling. आज दिन भर मेरा काम ही था कि journaling करना। Yeah,
Hmm.
I accept it. I really see it's a journey. Okay, even after 10 years, you have to be honest with yourself कि क्या issues हैं, क्या fears हैं, क्या doubts हैं। I have written a list of things, like 10, 15 things that I fear right now.
Right.
And the only thing is you'll overcome that.
Right.
Yeah.
And that's the power we have. I think it's important to have the power to sit with your fears.
Yeah, it was tough for me. I'll tell you. Even in the last 1 month, 1.5 months, I was not able to sit with fears that have recently evolved. Yeah, I wasn't able to. But then today, I made sure that I do it.
Right.
Yeah, sometimes if you're not ready to sit with the fears, it's okay. But then, if you're aware that you will definitely work on it in a couple of days, then give yourself that time and space. कि कोई बात नहीं, today I don't want to face myself, and that's okay. Yeah, I have had those miserable moments, like literally 3 days ago when I matlab, shifted to this room. Yeah, this place. That night was so tough for me. Yeah, and when I think story with लगाई हुई थी कि it's this the silence, the noise of the silence is killing me and whatever. But it was such a tough day. उसके बाद वाले दिन I thought कि I'll do some journaling, healing. I was not ready for it at all. And I just gave myself that time. I gave myself 3 days, and now and today I've done all of it, and I'm feeling really light, feeling good.
Wow. Wow. That's the beauty I think of healing कि आपको पता है कि you can sit with it जब भी
Yeah,
आपको लगे, but you can, and that's what I think spiritual healing has worked for us.
yeah,
We start sitting with us कि exactly क्या है, like I still
yeah.
remember I was like I used to show I'm the perfect too, तो accepting कि मेरे को डर लगता है, मेरे को
अब की
fears
बात है।
है, was a
When was it? When was
I
it?
think 2 years back, 1.5 year back,
Okay.
and I was like,
You've come a long way then.
yeah, I have started talking about कि मुझे डर लगता है before like बताना कि मैं कौन हूँ क्या करती हूँ. It's always a fearful thing and I don't tell people, you know what, I'm just scared, but let me
Yeah.
start with it.
Now, I want to tell all of the people that if you're a coach or an entrepreneur or you're doing something that people don't understand, please take pride in telling what you do. Okay? Please take pride in saying that. Like, there was this uncle who was, I was traveling one day and there was this uncle who was just sitting just मेरे side वाले seat में. And this uncle asked me कि, what are you doing?
Hmm.
Yeah. And I was in a train journey from my home to another place, basically a 3 hours journey. And what do you do? And I proudly said that I am this, and I help people. I'm actually a life coach, and I do this. And उनका बच्चा बैठा हुआ था वहां पे, साइड में उनका बेटा बैठा हुआ था, वो भी देख के सुन रहा है, ओह ओके ओके, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, आर वर्क इज वेरी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग.
Yeah.
हम क्या करते हैं, हम खुद को डिमीन कर देते हैं. गाइस, फॉर गॉड सेक, प्लीज डोंट डू दैट.
Hmm.
पीपल आर सो एक्साइटेड टू लिसन टू यू. पीपल क्या एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं? इफ यू आर वर्किंग, यू आर 25, 26, whatever, यू आर वर्किंग, वेयर आर यू वर्किंग? And they expect ki I'm working here. In a one word, they expect the answer, but it is not. For us, we are so lucky, we are so privileged. Touch wood, we are so privileged that हमको explain करने का chance मिलता है कि हम ये कर रहे
Wow, this is a new whole perspective.
हैं. Yeah, this is so crazy. This is such a blessing.
Wow.
Whatever you are doing, a coach, whatever entrepreneur, whoever is watching this, or you want to do something on your own.
I think that's a whole new perspective for everyone life को जो अलग काम कर रहे हैं, because उनके लिए ना बहुत मुश्किल होता है explain करना. And the way you said it so beautiful, like we have a privilege कि हम explain कर सकते हैं.
Yeah,
Right. So
yeah.
now, just I have this one question. Like when you start your own business, the one thing is about how you handle your finances. Like you have this fear कि पैसा आएगा भी कि नहीं आएगा. It's a lot like that. How you handled it?
ओके, सो लेट मी टेल यू अबाउट द स्टार्ट. ओके, क्योंकि उसी टाइम पे होता है, आपको डाउट्स होते हैं कि क्या पैसे बना पाओगे, नहीं बना पाओगे, कैसे करोगे. या आफ्टर दैट, if you ever see like a break or a pause, you can come back again with whatever you've done earlier. But in the very start, what I want you to do is understand that, first of all, understand if you love what you're doing. Yeah, if you really love, and there are people who would really benefit out of what you're providing and what you're offering. Okay, there is a set of people whose life you can improve, whose life you can transform. Then first of all, तो ये खुद को बोल दो कि it is a disservice. मैं disservice कर रहा हूँ if I'm not showing up. Okay, if I'm not showing up, if I'm not selling, and if I'm not constantly opening my offers, if I'm not constantly selling, it's a disservice. Okay, so you have to constantly keep on opening your offers. And number one, normally मटीरियली चीज होता है कि लॉ ऑफ एवरेज आपका आएगा ही आएगा. ओके, इफ देर आर इफ एवरी सिंगल डे यू ओपनिंग अप योर ऑफर्स, there will be x amount of people who will inquire and 10% of it who will buy.
Hmm. Right.
Okay, if you are doing the math and if you are doing it, वो लॉ ऑफ एवरेज है, एंड इट्स अ लॉ ऑफ एवरेज, वो होगा ही होगा एंड वो होगा. ठीक है,
Right.
तो आपको वो टेंशन लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. द ओनली थिंग इज यू नीड टू कीप शोइंग अप.
Right.
Yeah. Second, number two is what I did. Okay, and this has like really, matlab, in 2 to 3 months, it has taken my work to a very next level of me starting. That is, I understood. We know the basics, right? Ki whatever is imprinted in our subconscious mind, that will become our reality. It has to be there in our subconscious mind.
Right.
ये ऐसे नहीं हो सकता. All right. तो I started working on my beliefs. Okay, कि do I fear that I'll not get any clients? Do I fear कि मेरे पे issues हो, मतलब कुछ issue हो जाएगा and I won't be able to make money and no one will buy for me. People will start asking me a lot of questions and not have answers. ये बहुत सारे issues होते हैं when you are starting.
Right.
Yeah, you need to work on them. You need to clear that negative beliefs, है ना. Negative belief कैसे clear करते हैं? You ask your coaches and they will definitely help you out. तो वो सारी चीजें वो करोगे. फिर क्या तुम मैनिफेस्ट करना चाहते हो कि I am making 50,000 every month effortlessly and easily. My solar and clients are flowing to me. Yeah, and I'm so proud of the work that I do. I'm so proud of the product that I've made. That people's life is changing.
Right.
Okay, You need to say that to yourself over and over again. Repeat that to yourself. Record it in your voice note in your phone. Keep listening to it like it should be your mantra, so that it gets imprinted in your subconscious mind. And once it's imprinted, magic will start to happen for you. Okay, magic is just going to start happening for you. And उसके साथ साथ number 2 is keep showing up. Okay, keep showing up. आपके पास law of average नहीं होगा, आपका magical law of average होगा उसके बाद. लॉ ऑफ एवरेज क्या होता है? 10% कन्वर्जन इज अ लॉ ऑफ एवरेज, इंडस्ट्री स्टैंडर्ड जो बोलते हैं, है ना. 10% इज अ गुड नंबर, 20% इज गुड. 30, 35, 40 तक आप कर सकते हो, जो कि 40 तक तो मैंने करा है. आप देखो कि आपका क्या लिमिट है. ठीक है, ब्रेक लिमिट्स, ब्रेक दो फकिंग लिमिट्स, है ना. है ना. सारे लोग बोलते थे, वन ऑफ द एग्जांपल्स वन ऑफ माय कोचेस गिव्स एंड शी सेज कि सारे लोग बोलते थे हिमालय सब चढ़ नहीं सकते, माउंट एवरेस्ट सब चढ़ नहीं सकते, बट इफ वन पर्सन डिड इट, and then there are so many people who are doing it, right? So that's what it is. You need to keep like limits जो होते हैं वो ब्रेक करने के लिए बने होते हैं, जो यू नो होता है ना, क्या बोलते हैं उसको,
रूल्स.
या रूल्स तो नहीं, जो एक बेंचमार्क कोई सेट करता है, रिकॉर्ड कोई बनाता है. इज अ रिकॉर्ड. सारा रिकॉर्ड बनता है ब्रेक होने के लिए, नए रिकॉर्ड्स बनने के लिए. तो रिकॉर्ड्स बनाओ, नए रिकॉर्ड बनाओ, वैसा. So that is what it is. You need to believe in yourself. You need to see it way earlier than it has happened in your 3D reality. And only then can you do it. You might be hearing this news that there are people, Bangalore based entrepreneurs who are creating flying helicopters, flying taxis. Okay. Yeah, they're doing it. No one thought about it. They would be like, मैं पागल हूँ, मैं इतने कम पैसे में मैं उड़ा के लेके जाऊँ, मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ. सिटी के अंदर उड़ रहे होंगे चीजें, कैसे मैनेज करेंगे सारी चीजें. But they did dream about it. They did work on it, and they have definitely implemented. So it's a crazy thing. Yeah, you have to see it way, 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 way before it happens in your reality, and it soon happens.
Wow, this is beautiful. I think we all need this perspective, and we all need such coach जो हमको ये सिखाए, because people around us will always tell us कि तुम्हारे dreams ना बकवास है, मत देखो, random चीजों को follow करो. But we need such just one person to believe in us. It can be sometimes us only, हम खुद भी हो सकते हैं, but sometimes we need coaches, we need therapists to believe in us कि हाँ जो हम सोच रहे हैं वो हम कर सकते हैं.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल, absolutely.
I
Yeah.
think we will keep on going on this, but let's start with rapid fire.
Okay.
Right? Then I will
Exciting.
ask you one question, and you have
Okay.
to
Never had I did never done a rapid fire basically earlier, but I'm excited for my first rapid fire with you. That too with you.
yes. So the first question is word that describes your life. One word.
Oh my God. It should be rapid fire, is it? Purpose.
Yeah. A book that changed your life.
Becoming supernatural.
One belief you live by.
Live the most authentic way. Share the most authentic version of yourself. Speak your fucking truth.
Your favorite song.
Favorite song. Recently, favorite song. Okay, it's very cheesy, but Rajniti ka song hai na, Bhigi Si Bhagi Si is my favorite song, and this song, Mera Pehla Pehla Pyar is my favorite song. So many.
More romantic songs.
Yeah, like old school Hindi. Yeah.
First thing you do when you wake up.
Pray.
One advice to your listeners.
One advice to my listeners. Yeah. First of all, there are so many. How do I start? One I can't give.
Only one.
That I've never given. Okay. One advice. Do not be fearful of telling the truth, even if it might hurt the other person. Yeah. But make sure that you express what you're feeling in the most amazing way, in a nice tone. But then express what you're feeling. अंदर दबा के नहीं रखना है. Express. Even if the other person you feel कि नहीं समझ पाएगा, still try and express. Tell them. Don't give up on don't give up on the other person कि वो नहीं समझ पाएगा मुझे. Express. Say. Wow. And the person will understand. Okay. Anyways.
One habit you want to change about yourself.
Okay. There are a few. One habit that I want to change about myself. Okay. Oh my God. What do I say? Yeah, so I want to kind of become a more organized, maybe. Yeah, because it's been 4 days of me coming here, like staying here, but abhi tak mere bags unpacked nahi the, and I did it today in the morning. So maybe a bit more organized, yeah.
Yeah.
In my physical space, basically. Mentally, I am a bit organized, but physical space, yeah.
Wow, beautiful. Then we are done with it.
Okay.
So now, if someone really wants to connect to you for their own healing journey, how
Hmm.
they can contact you, connect with you?
Yeah, so you can definitely, the most easiest way is for anyone is to connect with me on my Instagram. Yeah, just give us a text and it'll be very easy for me and my team to connect with you. Yeah, and I have my workshops which you can most definitely attend, and that'll really help you to change your life and at least start your self-awareness, self-development journey.
Perfect. So we will drop the link of the Deepika ma'am's Instagram. So if you want, you can just contact and definitely do connect with her, attend the workshop. That is going to be a breakthrough for you. So yes, thank you so much, ma'am, for being with us for such long. It was a beautiful insights. I just loved it.
Thank you so much. I loved it too. I believe it was good for you. I mean, you are starting a podcast, and I'm really excited. I was so excited for it, and I really wish that I could bring some value into your listeners' life.
Yeah, definitely. They're going to have a lot of knowledge.
Thank you. Thank you so
Perfect.
much.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. I'll see you. Bye.